I'm gonna show you how easy it is to unhitch your travel trailer from your tow vehicle. It's a pretty simple process, but what you wanna do is make sure you're on level ground, and you wanna also chalk all your tires so that when you start your auto leveling, it won't be moving back and forth and throw you an error message. And once you got all of this, the shocked up and everything, you want to go ahead and disconnect everything from your tow vehicle. You see I'm removing the chain, and I'm also remove my sway bars. I would recommend sway bars, especially if you're carrying a heavy load. And as you can see right here, I'm going to take those pins out and remove this sway bar. And then I'm going to go ahead and hitch right here my coupling. Make sure it's all the way back, so that when you start raising your tongue, you see that extension, it's extending the tongue. So I want to raise it over the hitch, as you can see right there. And then I'm gonna move my tow vehicle forward a safe distance, and maybe 6-7 feet out the way, and make sure everything is taken off. You see my sway bars, I'm gonna go ahead and remove those and throw that on the ground, and look around, make sure everything disconnected, and move your truck out the way. So it's very simple. Find your touchpad. Once you find your touchpad, you just hit the power. Once you hit the power, it's going to do analyzing. Then you just hit auto leveling. And once you hit the auto level, let it do its job. Just sit back and have your cold drink. So the first thing what it's going to do, it's going to retract the tongue a little bit to try to get it level. And then it's going to start working on the front jacks. So it's going to level the front as good as it can. As you can see right there, that red light is showing the front, and you see that green light blinking in the middle. So all the front is being leveled first. As you see, the jack have come down, so it's leveling the front. And once the front is leveled, it's gonna go to the rear, and you'll see that here in a minute. I'm just showing you the process of it coming down and everything, doing this leveling thing while I'm drinking me a cold drink. And then we're gonna look at this touchpad again. You're gonna notice that the red light is gonna go to the rear. So it's still doing its thing there on the front. And it takes about, I say 3 to 4 minutes for this process to finish, So here it's fit to go to the rear. You see the front is done for right now. Now in the rear, you see the red light there on the rear. I'm gonna show you back there. The jack is gonna be extending. And like I said, you got to be on a level ground. If it's not completely level, you can use some kind of boards or anything you got to help out. But it's still doing, the rear is done. Now it's gonna go back to the front right, and it's going to go side to side and level everything up there on the front. So it's doing its little touch-ups there on the front. Like I said, the side to side. And once it's done that, it's going to go back to the rear. And once everything is completely done, it's going to say auto level success. So once that's done, then it's going to display your power for your battery. So it's analyzing everything, and I really enjoy this auto leveling, man. You don't have to do nothing, just sit back and let it do the work, and it may have to go back to the rear and make adjustment, or may have to go back to the front, but it analyzes everything. That's why those shocks are very important. Make sure it's not rocking back and forth once it's doing its leveling. But like I said, it takes maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and it's done. You don't have to be jacking nothing and doing all this other stuff. We just let it take control and do it itself. So I'm gonna show you the screen again right here. It's verifying everything. And now it's done. So the only thing you have to do is turn the power off, or after a while, it'll auto shut itself off, lock everything up, and you're done. And what I do, I take my little stand there in the front of my tongue jack, and I just extend it until it touches. So after this, look at my trailer, it's level. we're ready to hook everything up. Have a great day.